Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the biggest heartbreaks in astronomy, when Pluto got kicked out of the Planet Club. One day it's in all the textbooks, the ninth planet, minding its own business. The next day, it's not. What gives? Did Pluto do something wrong? Was it bad behavior? Let's find out. Once upon a time, we had 9 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and little Pluto. Pluto was discovered in 1930 by an American astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh. At the time, telescopes weren't powerful enough to show fine details, but it looked like a small dot. People loved it. Kids made models of the 9 planets. But as telescopes got better, astronomers started finding other icy worlds beyond Neptune, in a region called the Kuiper Belt. One of them, Eris, discovered in 2005, was almost the same size as Pluto, just a bit heavier. Suddenly, scientists thought, ooh, if we call Pluto a planet, we have to call all these guys planets too. Soon we'll have, like, 50 planets, and that's just messy. So, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union came up with 3 official rules for being a planet. First, it must orbit the Sun. Second, it must be round, means you should have enough mass and gravity to pull yourself into a spherical shape. And third, it must clear its neighborhood. Clearing the neighborhood means a celestial body is the gravitationally dominant object in its orbital zone. A planet's mass and gravity must be strong enough to have either consumed or ejected all other smaller or similarly sized objects over the solar system's lifetime. So, Pluto orbits the Sun once every 248 Earth years, and it's round, about 2,377 kilometers across. But rule number 3? Oh, that's where Pluto fails. Its orbit overlaps with many icy rocks and debris in the Kuiper Belt. In fact, it shares its region with thousands of similar objects. It hasn't cleared its neighborhood. It's like saying, I own this street, while 5,000 other people are living there too. So, on August 24, 2006, Pluto was officially reclassified as a dwarf planet. It's like being told, you're not fired, but we're moving you to a smaller office. But hold on, dwarf planet isn't just a fancy word for small. It's actually a specific scientific classification for a celestial body that orbits the Sun, is round, has not cleared the neighborhood around its orbit, and is not a moon. Well, it's still part of our solar system family, just in a different category. Even without the planet title, Pluto is fascinating. Its surface is covered in frozen nitrogen and methane, with mountains made of water ice. And in 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew by Pluto at over 50,000 kilometers per hour, capturing breathtaking images, including that iconic heart-shaped glacier that melted everyone's hearts. As our knowledge grows, so do our definitions. And maybe, someday, when we explore farther, we'll find new worlds that make us rethink it all again. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.